I gave my wife the very first mechanical keyboard that I ever bought. It was a Razer Black Widow Chroma. So let's customize it a bit. Huge shout out to Venatos. They sent over some of their PBT keycaps and we went with the Cyan colorway. If you're looking for a cheap way to customize your keyboard, I definitely recommend you buy new keycaps. Head over to Venatos' website. You'll get 106 keycaps for $25. And if you use Eric Price AG at checkout, you can save an additional 20%. Look how much better this keyboard looks with Cyan. Amazing.